Your Excellency, the Deputy President of our Republic of Kenya, Mheshimiwa DP Gachagua, Our Excellency, the Governor of Bomet, Professor Hilary Barchok, the members of Parliament present, our Honorable Speaker, members of the County Assembly present, the clergy led by our Bishop. Let me take this time to say, Bwana asifiwe. Amen. Bwana asifiwe tena. Ilos not Jesu. Now, it's a great pleasure, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, that we are here today as a community of Bomet County to welcome you to our county. Karibu sana, Your Excellency. Secondly, as a people of this county, we want to send you with our greetings to His Excellency the President, who I know is a great friend of yours. So, pokea salamu zetu, uende usalimie kabisa. And as a county, we have several things that we expect from you. Right from the time of your manifesto, we talked of food security. Here, as a county government of Bomet, we pride ourselves as a dairy county. And as a dairy county, Your Excellency, we look forward to feeding this country. And we cannot do so without the help of you and His Excellency the President. And we thank the President for appointing you to lead the reform agenda in the agricultural sector. Recently, Your Excellency, you led a successful discussion on tea issues in Kericho. We are very happy to that you led a discussion where we came up with strategies of making sure that the tea industry will provide livelihoods to our people. We are very, very grateful, Your Excellency. Secondly, recently there's a pronouncement on issues of milk. Of late, the kind of prices that we have been selling our milk has not been cost recovering. It has been very low, Your Excellency. And yet we have Kenya creameries here in a KCC plant here in Sotik. We are asking, Your Excellency, we want to feed this country. It's only the price of milk that can lead to more production. We are selling at about 35 shillings a liter. If this could be increased to about 50 shillings a liter, then it will spur development of the dairy industry. And since we are in the Lake Economic Region, we want to supply this region with milk. We are in that proximity, and if we are assisted, Your Excellency, we can do that more. Secondly, Your Excellency, we want to talk about the National Multi-Sectoral Forum. We support that forum. This is where our youth have spoken. I'll give you a good example, Your Excellency. As a county government, we recently advertised positions to be filled in our county government. We had about 199 positions to be filled. The number of people who applied, Your Excellency, were 23,000 of them. 23,000 applied. Meaning that the issue of unemployment, even in our county itself, is dire. And if we can use this national multisectoral sector approach to discuss the issues that are affecting our youth, I know we'll be making a step forward. And we are going to develop forward and with everybody, with an extensive consultative issues. So, Your Excellency, we want to thank you for that, coming up with that issue. Our member of County Assembly talked about kinamama wale wanafanya biashara. We have some here in Kaplong, we have others in Kamureito, we have others in Jebole, we have others in Bomet, we have all others in youth farmers, all the way up to Mulot. Our kinamama wanafanya biashara at the roadside. We want to kindly ask you, Your Excellency, that let there be a discussion between Kenha, the owners of this road, and these people, so that they can be given opportunity to continue doing their business alongside the road. If there is a proper discussion, hawa kina mama watapatiwa nafasi kufanya biashara yao, wasomese watoto yao, ili this country can really be of bottom-up approach. So finally, Your Excellency, we have SGR, standard gauge rail, imekuja mpaka Narok. And this is an agricultural county. We want to produce more and take our produce to the market cheaply. We are requesting this SGR come all the way to Bomet and all the way to the Nyanza region. That's our request. So without wasting my time, Your Excellency, let me take this time to welcome His Excellency the Governor of Bomet to take over from there. Karibu sana, Your Excellency. Professor. And